Epillo Health Systems is a digital healthcare company that uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain to help people live healthier lifestyles. So to tell us more about Epillo Health Systems is the CEO, Aasif Shah. And we're also going to talk a little bit about your partnership with Dr. Singh and his company. So let's start with you, Mr. Shah. Just tell me about Epillo. Bring me up to date.
Thank you so much, Jane, for the question. Epillo Health Systems is a digital healthcare company based in Europe. We are aimed at transforming the medical technology landscape by incorporating the best of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain in digital healthcare applications. At Epillo Health Systems, we want to help everyone lead a healthier and safer lifestyle every day through products and services that connect, automate, disrupt, and bring innovation to the digital health landscape. We are working on products and features to empower people to be healthier with the information, assistance, and connections they need to act on their health. We are developing technology solutions and deep insights to enable care teams to deliver better, faster, and more connected care. And we are exploring the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain to assist critical care and wellness in predicting drug, food, and drug-drug interactions, thereby preventing adverse drug effects and increasing the efficiency of pills and much more technology around the pill.
Well, I know that's a really big deal, some of these interactions.
Yeah.
So how do drug, food, and drug interactions decrease the efficiency of the treatment?
Yeah, so the foods that we consume, along with the drugs that we are prescribed to take for therapeutic benefits, the drugs that we take, they interact in many ways. Those interactions can be minor and can be as major as adverse drug events. So undesirable pharmacological effects in a consumer of prescription drugs are often triggered by the drug interactions either amongst themselves or with the food that the consumer intakes, thereby causing millions of unwanted interactions in home settings and unsupervised non-clinical settings. Now, a doctor may make you aware about a few of the interactions that happens with your drug internally or with the foods that you consume. The doctor is not a machine. There is a lot of literature and a lot of things that are going in your body when you co-administer a drug and a food constituent. Analogous to drug products, food is also a mixture of different chemical entities endowed with a determinable structure and specific reactive molecules. The food that we eat and the prescription drugs that we consume, they both interact inside your body, positive or negative. Interactions can be minor to notice or pay attention on day-to-day basis, dose-to-dose basis, or as major as resulting in adverse drug effects. An adverse drug event is an injury resulting from these medical interventions relating to this drug. These includes medication errors, adverse drug reactions, and allergic reactions, and overdoses, and thereby leading to inefficiency of the medicines that you're taking.
So what are digital therapeutics? And tell us more about Epillo's digital therapeutics and how it prevents that.
Yeah. So digital therapeutics are patient-facing software applications or devices or a combination of both that help patients treat, prevent, or manage a disease or symptom or a condition. Now, digital therapeutics can really support the patients in self-managing their symptoms or adding benefits to their current therapy, and thereby improving their quality of life and other clinical endpoints. Epillo's product and solution offering, named as Interrex, is a digital therapeutic device that aids the population in preventing undesired drug-food interactions and drug-drug interactions in unsupervised home settings. Here, the primary therapy is the prescription plan that you're on. Our device can amplify the benefits of your prescription plan by helping you manage and avoid a lot of those drug and food interactions that are happening in day-to-day life. A mobile application is based on patent pending innovation in 153 countries around the world named Systems and Methods for Blockchain-Based Digital Therapeutic Devices to predict drug-food constituent interactions. The user-facing application provides a real-time prediction of drug-food constituent interactions in the form of alerts, warnings, alarms, and visually simplified analytics through plain features like camera capture, menu scanner, and third-party application integrations and menu scanner.
Now, Dr. Singh, what are the patents about?
Thanks, Jane. Thanks for asking this question. This is really important, actually. So, this is based on systems and methods for a blockchain-based digital therapeutic devices to predict drug-food interactions. And we have filed this patent in 227 countries through the European Patent Office, Epillo, and similarly, we filed through the US Patent Office to the 153 countries. So, and innovative digital healthcare technology interacts based on patent pending, which is, as I mentioned, is a 153 countries worldwide. So this whole technology of what we are launching as Entrex is based on the artificial intelligence, computational molecular docking. And this model use the present invention can autonomously explore multiple possible binding sites and modes and score them according to the interactions, potential of a drugs, compounds, and a food constituents with the target protein sites and detect the drug and food interaction type by predicting the most probable binding sites. So, based on the proprietary algorithms, a set of proprietary algorithm forming a flow of systems to create digital therapeutic devices, DTX, for our patients and doctors or clinical uses for that.
Mm-hmm. Now, how are the healthcare ecosystem and then just the population in general benefit from Epillo's innovation? See if you want to address that.
Yeah. The global digital health market size was estimated at around USD 114 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach USD 144 billion in 2020. And the industry is poised to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 27.2% from 2019 to 2025. 48% of population is using at least one prescription drug in the past 30 days. That's what the FDA data says. And the number is 48.6% in 27 countries of the European Union after Brexit. The normal consumer includes people like you, me, and elderly people who are consuming multiple drugs with multiple food items on a daily basis. Now, a doctor wishes to care about the patient, but he does not know about what's happening inside the body when the patient is consuming multiple drugs and multiple food items throughout the day. So with Epillo, we are unlocking a whole new data potential for the doctors and for the patients to help them with identifying those drug food and drug interactions and thereby increasing the quality of life. The vision of Epillo's innovative systems and methods is to reach every person who has ever taken a pill, to help them make their drug work better by managing their interactions, which amounts to almost 160 million users in the USA and 217 million users in Europe, giving us a larger population to provide the solutions and offerings to.
And you do that through blockchain? Is that how it's providing the technology and the innovation for this?
Yes, blockchain is set as the base for the technology because blockchain is the most secure, the most immutable, and the most righteous platform to use for data sharing and data storage right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then finally, Dr. Singh, how is Epillo going to solve the existential security and safety concerns about healthcare data storage?
In the current scenarios, the healthcare organizations are facing the serious problems in sharing medical information among different stakeholders without sacrificing the privacy, integrity of information to store and share a large volume of sensitive and personal identifiable information, but that is called PII, securely is an important issue actually. So patients have less or no control over their health data storage and transmission. Hence, the trust in the care systems, efficiency, safety, reliability, and security is being compromised with the current models in use. Mm-hmm. So with the Epillo blockchain ecosystems relies upon multi-layered hybrid consensus algorithms based on a modified proof of stake, proof of history, and a proof of reputation developed by the Hydra 7 Labs Limited, which is one of the most secure, innovative consensus mechanism in the blockchain industry at the moment. As a distributed shared ledger and a database, blockchain has the characteristics of openness, transparency, decentralization, and anti-tampering. So the adoption of the blockchain distributed ledger model in the Epillo digital therapeutic solution will create an unprecedented level of accuracy, privacy, and security in our healthcare data for healthcare stakeholders and patients, offering an innovative new way to ensure robust data integrity while giving patients more access and control over their data in our healthcare applications and the worldwide. So we are anticipating this. This can be really a game changer for the healthcare industry.
Mm-hmm. Well, very interesting to hear how technology can play a role in making healthcare more efficient and make people healthier. So thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Singh, and also Aasif Shah for joining us today and explaining that.
Thank you, Jen. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you so much.